Hello everyone. Well, I made it back to the range today and took the 22 that I've been making improvements to and wanted to do some shooting. When I got to the range this morning, a cold front had blew through, and yes, it was windy. So windy, in fact, that I became very agitated and aggravated. Enough to the point that I let loose on a profanity-filled rant that you could not even conceive. Oh my. Well, maybe not that bad, but to give you an idea, here's a 2.5-inch group before all the improvements I made, and at 50 yards, this is a 5-shot group and a 10-shot group. So I guess you could say that the new crown did work. And as always, thanks for watching.